Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. Today I thought it would be fun to do a PR unboxing with you guys. I got a few things in this week from Covergirl, Rimmel London and Colourpop. So I figured why not just unbox it with you guys. There are a few things that I already took out and tried. Actually this look too, I'll show you guys when we get to it, but I figured you wouldn't mind, who cares, right? But yeah, let's start with Colourpop. Okay guys, so it came in a box like this, so I'm not gonna hold it up completely for you guys, but I'll just show you it's all this stuff. But I was so excited when Colourpop reached out because this is actually one of my favorite brands, and I don't talk about them super often for some reason. I don't know why. I have a ton of their Super Shock eyeshadows and a lot of their different eyeliners for the waterline, which I think I just kind of went out of lining my waterline for a little bit, so maybe that's why I don't talk about them. But they have a lot of good stuff. Okay, so let's start with the Double Rainbow collection. So these are their Super Shock eyeshadows. So they already have these eyeshadows. This is just a separate collection called Double Rainbow. That's what it looks like. They're beautiful. These are actually what I used to create this eye look. I'll link that up here for you guys so you can see it if you'd like to. But yeah, so I already took these out of the package. Okay, also they included 2 mascaras in here. So let's see. So we have a blue one and a pink one. So let's see, I have Blue Ya Mind and Pink Ink. So this one's Blue Ya Mind. Ooh. That's beautiful. I can't wait to try this one. I could picture this with a champagne eye and just coating a pair of fake lashes with this. That'd be cool. All right, then we have the pink. So this Pink Ink. That's really beautiful too. I could really picture this one great for the summer. Okay, let's see. And they gave me a ton of single shadows. There has to be at least 30 in here. Got a lot of metallic shades. I think this video is gonna take forever if I show you every single one. But yeah, they gave me a ton of single eyeshadows. These aren't new eyeshadows. I think it's just because I'm new to their PR list, so they sent me a ton of their stuff, which is awesome. And they also included this magnetic board. So since they're both magnetic, you can literally just go like that, which is so cool. So these are called, it's called a Life Palette, which I'm not sure if that's just the actual brand. There's a brand called Life Palette, I believe, who invented these, and then all the other brands kind of made their own. But these are just really cool because you can create your own eyeshadow palette. So all of the colors that, what was that? But all of the colors that I would use on an everyday basis, I could literally just put in here and make my own palette, which is really cool. I feel like I just reiterated that 3 times, but I'm excited about it. But yeah, so that's cool. And also they included, I have this Luxe lipstick in Super Bloom. It's a really pretty, not true red. It almost has a pinky vibe to it, but it's really cool. Here, I'll swirl it up so you can see the stars on here. It's really neat. Okay, and lastly from here, I have this Sarah E collection. This is the Lip Bundle 3. I just had a lisp there. This is the Lip Bundle 3. Why do I keep saying it over and over again? This is the Lip Bundle 3. It has an ultra glossy lip, an ultra matte lip, and another ultra matte lip. All right, so these are both of the matte shades. So this is in the color Dulcet. Ooh, I might have just butchered that. And Suno di Coco. Sorry. Okay, so these are the mattes. I'll show you guys what they look like. And this is the glossy. This is a really pretty, a peachy pinky sparkly lip gloss. But this is just called Glass Lip. That's what this looks like. All right, these are the swatches for the lips. All right, moving on. All right, guys, I just got this today by Covergirl. This is the package that it came in, the little box. It's cute. All right, so this is, I guess, a new mascara by them. Exhibitionist mascara. So it comes in very black and very black waterproof. Okay, so it says show-stopping volume in one coat. Using our newest wire brush, the mascara glides on smoothly without flaking, smudging, or clumping, while coating every lash with a deep dark pigment. Wow, I'm like more like impressed with the way that I like read that out like a full sentence without stuttering. If you guys don't know, I'm very bad at reading out loud. It's like, it's a problem. All right guys, so they're the same wand, so I'm just gonna show you one. I really like these hourglass wands because I feel like they just coat every single lash like perfectly. Especially, I don't know, for some reason I find that I can always get like the ends like to really flare out with these hourglass shapes. All right, now for Rimmel London, this came in the mail. It's this cute little tin. This like matches with my background perfectly. All right, it's just full of some stuff here. Okay guys, this is cool. So these are a ton of different shades of eyeliner, of liquid liner. They have like a yellowy gold, and then they have like an orangey copper. Is this a green? Ooh, this is like a metallic green. Let me just show you guys, hang on. Like wondering how I can like fan these out to show you them all. So this is them. All right, so a little bit about them. Okay, so they're saying that you can either use it as a precise graphic eyeliner look, or you can blend it all over as an eyeshadow to create like that glitter eyeshadow look that's smudge proof, transfer proof, and touch proof for up to 10 hours. It's so hard to find a liquid liner that doesn't smudge. So I'll definitely have to put these to the test, but I'll give you guys like a quick swatch real quick for all of them. Okay guys, so these are the swatches. They look really pigmented. This, what color is this? This color Savage, I feel like, oh, I love this color in general. This is like an orangey, goldy bronze. This was the color of my very first car. Oh, I feel like everyone remembers their first car, and that was just like, oh, I could cry just thinking about it. It was, I believe, a 2003 Cavalier. Oh, Chevy Cavalier. It was beautiful. This color, I just feel like is so me. I don't know why. It just like, this color like represents me, I feel like. I don't know. I just like want to cry every time I see it. There was someone who bought out that car and they just destroyed it. Like when I traded it, not when I traded it in, but I had so many problems with that car that I eventually had to give it up. And it was just costing me too much money. It was in the shop all the time, but my brother actually sold it through his shop to somebody else, and they beat the shit out of it. And it was just like, oh, it was so sad to see, because they happened to, I guess, live in the area, because I kept seeing it everywhere I went. And like every time I saw it, there was a different gash in it. There was like, it looked like somebody keyed the car. I was just like, oh my God, I just wanted to save it, you know? Oh, I could cry, but I can't cry yet because we're not done. Okay, so there are two mascaras in here. So there's a extreme black and a black. So this is Scandalize, which I love. This, if you guys have seen this in the drugstore, it's usually in the orange tube. So I believe this is a different formula. It's called Wow Wings. Let me see. Okay, so it says it's the latest addiction by the Scandalize fam. With 11 times the volume, your lashes are sure to stand out. All right. I already love the Scandalize one. That is literally, I would say, my favorite mascara. I keep like trailing off of it for some reason because I feel like I just wind up trying new ones just to like see, but I always wind up going back to it. Might be a new one. Ooh, I don't know actually. I'm not usually crazy about these brushes. I'll definitely still give it a shot and let you guys know. There's something about these like plasticky kind of wands. Why did I do it like that? But this one is almost like, it's like angled. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's like, it's kind of got like a mohawk or something. But this reminds me a lot of, there was Covergirl Lash Blast, I believe is what it was. Like, you know that like plasticky wand? It's not really like bristles, like hair bristles. It's like rubber. I don't know. But this is what that is, which I'm not normally crazy about these, like I said, but I'll give it a shot. But yeah, that is it for my PR unboxing. Yeah, I just got these things in this past week, so I figured I would just do an unboxing. I feel like I haven't done one yet because I don't want people to think that I'm bragging about it, but I know I like watching unboxing videos. It's just cool to see what's coming out in fashion, makeup, all of that. It's just, I don't know. If you're like a makeup addict like me, I feel like you like to see the new things. It's just like fun. It's something to get excited about. But let me know what you guys think of these products. Is there anything that like really caught your eye that you want me to do like a full like in-depth, not like view on like the products, but like use it in a tutorial or something? I think I am gonna do each one kind of separately, except for like the mascara. I'll probably like use this in like a tutorial or something, the CoverGirl one, because it doesn't make any sense really, just to do a whole video on itself. But I think I'll do like a full like ColourPop one. Like I said, I did the rainbow, the double rainbow Super Shock shadows. These are on my eye right now. So yeah, like I said, I'll have the link for this down below, and I linked it in the beginning of the video so you can find it there. And yeah. But let me know what you think of this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps me out. Also, you can subscribe to my channel if you want to. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Why did I say Monday like that? Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.